Hello everyone, how much do you know about Xhorse's brand new Condor XC Twins? This video will give you an overview of its key features. Condor XC Twins supports cutting household, automotive, and motorcycle keys. Compared to Condor XC Mini Plus 2, Condor XC Twins offers the following upgrades. 1. Brand new double cutter design. No need to switch cutters frequently, saving time and effort. 2. AI optical recognition. Automatically identifies key types and the valid position of the key with precision. 3. Supports multiple household key types. 4. Built-in pressure sensor. Detects non-conductive materials like plastic and aluminum, preventing probes from breaking during use and enhancing safety. It also inherits key strengths from previous Condor machines, as shown above. Condor XC Twins come standard with M3, M5L, and M6 clamps, with M4 clamp available as an option. M3 and M4 clamps are the same as previous models, supporting the following types. M5L clamp is an upgrade of M5 clamp. With an extended handle for double cutter machines, it supports the following types. M6 clamp is specifically designed for Condor XC Twins, supports double row smiley dimple key, single row smiley dimple key. This further improves the performance of XC Twins in the household key cutting field. The supported cutters also differ from previous machines. In addition to the original 1.5mm, 2mm, and 2.5mm milling cutters, new options now include 1mm milling cutter, 90-degree dual-pin dimple cutter, 95-degree internal dimple cutter, 100-degree external dimple cutter, and an optional 0.9mm milling cutter. These additions allow XC Twins to support a wider range of household keys, making its functionality more complete. That's the basic introduction to Condor XC Twins. We'll soon release a series of videos with more detailed demonstrations of its features and operations. Stay tuned, see you next time.